Welcome back to eCreativeAid. I went to a cafe the other day and I noticed that the employee had added some cinnamon to my espresso when I told her I'd like to enhance the effect of coffee. We all know that the effects of caffeine tend to diminish the more often we drink it, but you can still get that first time I ever drank coffee buzz with the help of cinnamon. Why haven't I learned this sooner? In medical school, we learned that cinnamon and grapefruit juice inhibit a specific enzyme P450 in the liver. As a result, medications which are also metabolized by this enzyme may accumulate to toxic levels in the body. And so, we learned to tell patients to avoid grapefruit juice when on these medications. We did not learn that caffeine is also broken down by the P450 enzyme, and that cinnamon and grapefruit juice could thus be used to our advantage. I found that other natural foods and spices also inhibit the P450 enzyme, such as pomegranate juice, cranberry juice, ginger, and nutmeg. And hey, actually, cinnamon and nutmeg taste good in coffee. Also, you can try these foods and spices depending on what you have in your cupboard and fridge. So to make the coffee, you can make it using your coffee maker or in your pot. So start by boiling the water. Once it starts boiling, add your coffee. You can add as much as you like. I like my coffee dark, so I'm gonna add 3 teaspoons. Then you can add a pinch of cinnamon. You don't need too much. Let your coffee boil a little bit. Then turn the heat off. Let it sit for 1 minute or until the coffee grounds sink to the bottom. And this is it. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.